So hi guys, we're going to be making a birdhouse
by Beetles and Bee.
First things first, we need to put on our safety goggles.
His safety goggles. Alright.
And
So since you know how to read, big bro, you get the instructions. First, let's make sure we got all of our tools.
Mason, do you have a hammer? Yep. Okay, so do you...
4 moments later.
The top comes off. So in the glue, there's this little cap. And you could just pop it off.
Meanwhile,
Is it flush?
a little room to make it easy. So I can do it.
The bottom.
Okay. Yeah. So hi guys. Oh, look at that. Now the bird. That's one beautiful birdhouse. How do you put red on this? You should make pink. Oh yeah. This is so fun.
a little longer than a few minutes later.
So this is Bo. Bo, say hi to everybody. Yes. Good job.
Good job.
Alright. Mason, I think everybody wants an update on your tree house. You want to go show them how it looks like?
Yep. Come on, guys. It's over here.
This is the birdhouse. Finished product.
Dad, you're stepping on poisonous oak.
It's okay, I have shoes. Nice finished product. Is there birds living in there?
Nope.
No birds. But we got bird food. This is their second batch.
There's a bird
The
hanging.
birdhouse was a hit.
Yeah. And last time I went over here, a bird, they were on that little piece.